Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have with me one of my favorite Ken dolls. As you can see, I started a costume for him. See if you can guess what it is with the boots and the leotard and the whole big deal. But I started a costume for him that I never did finish, and I need to do that. A wonderful thing happened. I received in the mail oh, I can't even believe she sent this. Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More sent me in the mail a happy mail of an American Girl boy doll, Logan. I couldn't believe it. Well, she wanted to do a collab, the two of us make an outfit for him. Oh, I love that. Well, then Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse also asked me about doing that, and the three of us got to talking about boy dolls, and we thought, wouldn't it be fun if you all joined in? If the three of us did a collab each month, let you know on the 15th what boy doll we would ask you to highlight on the 25th of each month, except August, but we'll tell you more about that next month. We're going to upload our videos at 10 a.m. Central. And one thing this month we're going to ask you to do with your Ken dolls is show him outside. It's nice out. It's summertime. You see me save him there?
Good catch.
Watch me. He needs to balance a little better. It's summertime. We're all having fun. Take him with you somewhere, or just take him out standing by a tree. Get a couple seconds video. Take him bike riding or horseback riding or hiking or biking or anything like that. Just show us your Ken dolls. It can be one or it can be your entire collection. I wish I could dig my collection out because I have a rather large one. But for the time being, I'm going to say no. Thank you for watching. We hope you will stay tuned. We are going to introduce other boy dolls each month. Thank you, Gosha, and thank you, Cynthia. Please visit their channels. There'll be a link in the description and in the title, and see what they're showing today with their Ken dolls. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.